Weather doesn't ask permission, and in a survival situation, it becomes one of the most dangerous forces you'll face. A clear sky can turn deadly, a light breeze can signal a major shift, and the smallest changes in the air can warn you long before disaster arrives, if you know how to read them. In this video, you'll learn how to observe and interpret weather patterns using your senses and your surroundings. From cloud formations and shifting winds to temperature changes on your skin and harsh desert conditions, we break down the natural warning signs most people overlook, until it's too late. Stay with us until the end, because understanding weather isn't about predicting the future. It's about making the right decisions before conditions turn dangerous. By the end of this video, you'll know how to recognize the signs, adapt your plans, and survive what nature throws at you. Let's begin.
Imagine a world gone silent. The hum of technology is gone. Your phone is a useless piece of glass. The only forecast you have is the one written in the sky, a language most of us have forgotten how to read. And a misinterpretation can be your last. In this world, the ability to anticipate a storm, to feel the change in the air before it arrives, is the difference between reinforcing your shelter and being exposed to nature's raw, indifferent fury. It all starts with observation. Look up. Those high, wispy, cirrus clouds like feathers painted across the blue aren't just beautiful. They're often the first subtle hint that a change is coming, maybe a day or two out. They're nature's quiet suggestion to start paying attention. But the real danger often starts with the friendly clouds, the puffy white cumulus. As long as they stay low and scattered, the day is yours. But if you see them start to grow upwards, darkening, stacking like colossal towers, they are transforming into cumulonimbus, the thunderhead. That isn't a suggestion to find shelter, it's a desperate plea. Then there's the wind, a sudden, dramatic shift, especially from a warm southern breeze to a cold northern gust, screams that a cold front is crashing in, bringing abrupt, violent weather with it. But one of the most common mistakes is misinterpreting a localized gust, something caused by a cliff or building, for a large-scale front. To avoid this, you combine your observations. You feel the air on your skin. You watch the direction smoke drifts. You look for patterns, not just single events. The air itself carries a chilling message. A rapid temperature drop is a direct threat to your core body temperature, a silent killer that brings hypothermia. You don't need a thermometer. Watch your own breath. If it begins to mist, you know the temperature is dropping. Touch a piece of metal, it will feel significantly colder than the air. These are your new instruments. The core language of the sky, clouds, wind, temperature is universal, but its dialects, its local accents, change drastically with the terrain. In the mountains, look for smooth, lens-shaped clouds hovering over peaks. They seem peaceful, but they are a clear warning of screaming high winds aloft that can tear you from a ridge. On the coast, beware the pop-up storm. A sunny, humid day can erupt into chaos as clouds tower with terrifying speed. The very air, thick and sticky, is a harbinger of the coming violence. And in the desert, where clouds are rare, the wind is king. It brings not rain, but blinding dust storms that reduce visibility to zero in moments. The true test comes when you read these signs together as a symphony of approaching chaos. Imagine, you see those towering cumulonimbus clouds building. The wind suddenly whips around from the north, and you feel that distinct, sharp chill on your skin. This isn't just a storm, it's a severe cold front, and you have minutes, not hours. Then you see it, a low, horizontal shelf cloud plowing across the horizon. That is the gust front. Prepare for immediate, damaging winds. If you see an isolated part of the cloud base lower and begin to rotate, a wall cloud, a tornado could be imminent. This isn't about fear, it's about respect. It's about reclaiming a primal connection to the world around you. By learning this language, you move from being a victim of circumstance to an active participant in your own survival. You learn to listen to the whispers of the atmosphere, and in a world of silence, that voice is the only one that truly matters.